This is the Parthenon media console, and it is stunning. So my favorite part about this, and this is one of the things that I adore about this brand, is the fact that there was little to no assembly. So I'm gonna insert some footage here of what this looked like straight out of the box. It was completely together with the exception of twisting on the legs, and that is it. And what I end up with is this beautiful console table that has so many great details to it that I am gonna give you close up. So the brand did send this out to me to review for you. And one of the first things that caught my attention are these gorgeous hardware on each one of the doors and drawers that have that Parthenon Greek type feel to it. Now this is a solid wood piece, so that's why the assembly was very little inside this thing. So you have two doors. Both of these doors are double shelf type storage areas and two drawers that slide easily, all fully assembled before it got to me. Additionally, you have this great section here where you, if you want to put your VCR, if we still have them, your cable box, that type of thing, with a perfect cable management cord hole in the back there so that you don't have to run anything on the outside. On the top of the unit though, they also included this built-in cord or where you can plug things in, not just your usual 3-prong plugs, but also USB and the micro USB port, USB-Cs. So just a great thing to have there too. Now you can see the quality of this wood itself. It is a heavier piece with real and gorgeous wood grain all throughout. So this comes in both black and this gorgeous color here, this walnut. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece that is perfect for whether you're gonna put it under something like, I like it under my mirror because it is a way to essentially frame up that, but whether you're gonna put it under a television or artwork, just a perfect piece that is high quality, little assembly, and one that will last for years.